Hello friends, this is Dr. Sumiti Ahuja and I am Assistant Professor at Faculty of Law, University of Delhi. Now, I was telling you about the old Specific Relief Act provision under section 41. Section 33 of the Specific Relief Act 1963 was the one which replaced, which substituted Section 41 of the old Specific Relief Act 1877. So, you can say that it was the counterpart of Section 41 of the old Specific Relief Act. Now, it stated power to require benefit to be restored or compensation to be made when instrument is cancelled or is successfully resisted as being void or voidable. So, you can see the first point of difference which you can make out between the section 41 of old Specific Relief Act and the new provision section 33 under Specific Relief Act 1963 was that 41 of the old act was only restricted to a position where minor is going as a plaintiff and is praying for cancellation of instrument. Then the court could compel that minor to restore the benefit or compensate, right. Now, section 33 provided for two subsections. The first was exactly same to what the position was in the old Act 1877. The second subsection took care of a situation wherein minor was defendant. That problem which was faced in the judgment of Khangul versus Lakha Singh, and in Ajudia Prasad versus Chandan also, minors were defendant only, right. Now, it stated where a defendant successfully resists any suit on the ground that the agreement sought to be enforced against him in the suit is void by reason of his not having been competent to enter into contract, which means that we are referring to a position, say example, that a minor is the defendant in the judgment in a particular case, and he is trying to claim in the court that the suit is void, the suit which has been filed against him is void because of the reason that he was not competent to enter into a contract as per the terms of the Indian Contract Act 1872. And the court may, the relief which is being granted here is, if when the minor is defendant, that the court may, if the defendant has received any benefit under the agreement from the other party, require him to restore so far as may be such benefit to that party to the extent to which he or his estate has benefited thereby. So, if the minor or a minor has received some kind of benefit personally, or minor's estate has been benefited out of that transaction which had taken place, minor will be asked to restore, to that extent minor will be asked to restore the benefit back to the other party. So, this was an additional relief which came into picture courtesy section 33 Specific Relief Act of 1963.